Well, for late Monday afternoon and into the evening hours, we were tracking some showers and thunderstorms, and some of those storms turned strong and severe, causing a few power outages across the area, mainly toward the coast. But right now, we have quiet conditions out there right now. There's a view from our Savannah camera overlooking Ellis Square and City Market. We have a mainly clear sky over the city, but down to the south into McIntosh County, we have been tracking a few showers over the last hour or so, and some of that has been pretty heavy as it is pushing off to the east toward the Atlantic Ocean. A few more stray showers, a few more stray thunderstorms are possible over the next few hours, but overall it is going to be pretty quiet as we head into early Tuesday morning, with temperatures cooling off into the upper 60s, the lower 70s for our inland communities, staying a little bit more mild toward the coast. 77 is the forecast low temperature for Hilton Head compared to 72 out in Statesboro. So not a bad start to our Tuesday, but during the afternoon hours we will have hot temperatures again, topping out in the lower to middle 90s with the chance for some showers and thunderstorms developing across the region. We have the chance to have some pretty heavy rain mixing in, and also the potential for a few strong and severe storms, and more storms are expected for Tuesday, Wednesday, and for Thursday, especially for Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, those storm chances start to taper off a little bit, but still you'll want to have a plan B if you do have any kind of outdoor plans. And then Sunday and into Monday for next week, we'll transition back into a quieter, hotter, drier pattern, at least for the early part of next week. So scattered storms expected for Tuesday afternoon and into the evening hours, with the potential for a few to become strong and severe, with damaging wind being the primary concern. It looks like the afternoon and into the early evening hours would be the best potential for thunderstorms for us here in the coastal Empire and Low Country. But for Tuesday, starting off quiet, and then it's after lunchtime when those storms will start to fire off, becoming more numerous as we head more toward dinner time. After we lose the daytime heating, it looks like conditions will start to dry out and even clear out for us going into early Wednesday morning. And then throughout the day on Wednesday, we will have those numerous thunderstorms developing again, and with those temperatures topping out in the lower and middle 90s, there's a chance that we might have a few strong storms mixing in, but getting quieter again going into Wednesday evening. So we're active in the southeast. We are also now active in the tropics. We do have a couple of tropical waves that the Hurricane Center is watching for development. East of Bermuda, we do have a broad area of low pressure moving northward, a 50-50 chance of that one developing over the next 5 to 7 days. This one south of the Cape Verde Islands is one to pay attention to. It's a broad low pressure center that's starting to become a little bit better organized, a little bit more conducive for development as it pushes off to the west toward the Caribbean islands. Slow development is possible, not a threat to the U.S. at this point or any land, but certainly something to pay attention to as we are heading toward the peak of hurricane season, which is on September 10th, and we've only had 3 named storms so far for this year. So scattered showers and storms for us closer to home for the next few days. More unsettled for Wednesday and Thursday, and then by the end of the week we start to settle down a bit with scattered showers and storms remaining, but drying out a little bit more as we head into the second half of the weekend. High temperatures lower 90s to middle 90s over the next several days. So seasonally hot, but at least we're not dealing with the excessive heat.
Yes, that's the good thing. And thank you
We'll
so
enjoy
much.
it.
All right.
Well, another